Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how to fix notification problem in your Google Chat. For example, maybe your friend or your colleague or anyone send you a message call but you will not receive anything from them. Then there is some problem. So how can you fix this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. It might be for connection problem, so you make sure that your connection is good and strong. And after that, it might be that your notification system is disabled. So that's why you have to long press any profile. So for example this one, so long press on that, then you'll get the turn of notification. Okay, so by default your notification is enabled and okay, but when like now it's disabled. So for example, when if you see that the turn on notification, it means the notification turn off. So simply click on the turn on, then it will be okay. So okay friend, today is Norman. Thank you for watching this video.